Recording. Yeah. So if you are given volume by volume percent, how to write the definition? Take the volume of the solution as 100 ml. If you are taking this as 100 ml, A100 cancel, okay? I can write the definition as it is the volume of solute present in 100 ml of the solution. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So if we have 5% volume by volume alcohol, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? You have 5 ml of alcohol in 100 ml of solution. So the volume of the solution is known, the volume of the solute is known. From this, I can calculate the volume of the solvent. The volume of the solvent would be volume of the solution minus volume of the alcohol, which is 100 minus 5 ml. Okay. If you know the individual densities, I can calculate the masses of them. If you know the density of the solution, I can calculate the mass of the solution. If you know the density of the alcohol, I can calculate the mass of the alcohol because you know individual volumes. Agreed? Clear? Okay. एक मिनट, हाँ. Yeah. उसके बाद हमने और एक concentration term देखा, which is gram per liter. In this concentration term, the units may be similar to the density. This gram per liter is not density of the solution because the definition of density of solution is mass of the solution upon volume of the solution. यहाँ पे gram per liter मतलब it is mass of the solute upon volume of the solution. It is a concentration term. It is not the density, everyone. Okay, so don't mistake this for density. Okay. Next concentration term, very important concentration term, ppm or ppb. ppm indicates parts per million. ppb indicates parts per billion. वो जो parts है, those can be volume parts, those can be mass parts, those can be moles parts. मतलब क्या है? Parts per million parts. Percentage का मतलब क्या है? What is meant by percent? It is per 100 parts, right? Parts per million मतलब per 10 power 6 parts. Million मतलब 10 power 6 है. So parts per million is parts of solute upon parts of solution into 10 power 6 है. Percentage में आप क्या करते थे? यहाँ पे 100 होता था. Agreed? That is for percentage. This is per million, इसलिए into 10 power 6 है. Clear है? So these parts can be volume parts or mass parts or moles parts. मतलब क्या है? If the parts per million is defined with respect to volume, तब क्या बोल सकता हूँ? It is volume of the solute upon volume of the solution into 10 power 6. If the ppm is defined with respect to mass, it would be mass of the solute upon mass of the solution into 10 power 6. If it is defined for moles parts, then it will be moles of the solute upon moles of the solution into 10 power 6. Agreed? Okay. Can anyone tell me the definition of ppm? ppm का definition लिखते हैं. Similarly, you can write for ppb. What would be the definition for ppm?
Parts of
करना क्या है आप?
per million.
Okay, parts of solute. Per million parts of solution. वैसा ही है. If I am taking the parts of solution as 10 power 6, 10 power 6 cancel होगा and you will be left with parts of the solute. Okay, so it is the parts of solute present per 10 power 6 parts of solution. I hope this is clear to everyone. It is the
Yes.
parts of solute present in 10 power 6 parts of solution. यहाँ पे आप लोग you can add one more thing. Those parts can be with respect to volume or mass or moles. Accordingly, यहाँ पे ये जो parts of the solution है, they will also become either volume parts or mass parts or moles. Okay. This V, M, N. V indicates volume, M indicates mass, and indicates moles. Is that clear? What can be the definition
Yes,
for
sir.
PPB? What can be the definition for PPB?
Parts
It
of
is a
solute
part of the
present
solute
in 10 to the power 9 parts of
9
solution.
parts of solution.
Very good. It is the parts of solute present in 10 power 9 parts of the solution. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ लिखा है. The level of carbon monoxide in atmosphere is 15 ppm by mass. So what can you comment based on this 15 ppm by mass? बताओ.
Sir,
Yeah.
it means that among all the particles, carbon monoxide is only 15 particles per million.
Yeah. वो सही है. What we will write is you have 15 gram of CO. They are saying that it is by mass. इसका मतलब you have 15 grams of CO in 10 power 6 grams of atmosphere or in 10 power 6 grams of air.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear है? Okay,
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
sir, will you please explain the definition again?
Okay, parts per million. Million मतलब कितना है? 10 power 6. Out of those 10 power 6 parts, how many parts are of solute? Parts per billion. Billion मतलब I need to take 10 power 9 parts. और जो parts है, the units can be in terms of volume. You can define that in terms of mass, or you can define that in terms of moles. If I am taking 10 power 9 ml, उस 10 power 9 ml में solute का volume कितना है? That is nothing but parts per billion. If I am taking 10 power 6 moles, उस 10 power 6 moles में solute का moles कितना है? ये जो particular concentration term है, this is used whenever the solute concentration is very, very, very less. Like see this particular example, you are having CO as 15 ppm by mass. You only have 15 grams in 10 power 6 grams of atmosphere, which is very less, right? Okay, if I want to express this in terms of mass percentage, मतलब per 100 parts, उसका वैल्यू बहुत कम आएगा ना. 10 power 6 grams of atmosphere में आपको 15 grams है, so 100 grams में percentage मतलब परसेंट मतलब कितना है? पर 100 ग्राम्स आपको कितना होगा? 100 ग्राम्स एटमॉस्फेयर में आपको कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कितना होगा? It would be
10 to the power 4.
100 upon unitary method से 100 upon 10 power 6 into 15, which is equal to 15 into 10
10
power
power
minus 4. Okay, this is mass percentage. So ये जो solute है, the solutes amount in this particular solution is very, very less. Hence, we are defining a concentration term which is easy to express. Rather than saying 15 into 10 raised to minus 4, we will say this as 15 ppm, 20 ppm, 100 ppm. Okay. This concentration term will always be used whenever the solute is present in very less amount in the solution. Okay. Typically, carbon monoxide pollution जो भी रहता है, it is measured in terms of ppm. Even this very less amount can be very harmful. 15 grams in 10 power 6 grams, you may feel that it is very less, but it will be harmful. Okay?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. I hope this is clear. Next.
Yes.
Molality. See the formula. By looking at the formula, try to make the definition. The formula is the moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Please make the definition for this. Anyone?
Moles of solute for 1
Solute.
kg solvent.
Present in 1
It is not-
kg of solvent.
But if I am taking the mass of solvent as 1 kg, then molality will become the moles of solute. Okay. Observe one thing. इससे पहले हम जो भी concentration terms define किया, all of them are per unit amount of solution. This concentration term, only this concentration term is defined per solvent. Okay. Please
sir.
mark the difference. Okay. I can write it is the moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. So if I give you 2.5 molal, this is called as M indicates in general we call this as molal. Molality hai na? So this unit is called as molal. 2.5 molal solution of NaCl in water. How to analyze this? इसका मतलब क्या है? You have
2.5
2.5
in 1 kg of
moles of
moles
NaCl.
of
Moles of NaCl in 1 kg of
1 kg water.
in 1 kg water or 1 kg H2O. Okay. Can you tell me percentage weight by weight of NaCl? अभी आपको molality दिया है. I'm asking you to convert this into percentage weight. Whenever you are given such questions ना, आपको immediately करना क्या है? Write the formula. It is nothing but weight of NaCl upon weight of
solute.
solution into 100.
हाँ sir.
What is weight of NaCl? If you know the moles,
2.5
can't you find the weight?
mass. Yes, we can.
Very good. It is 2.5 into mass of NaCl is 58.5.
Yes sir.
Okay. ये आपको grams में ही आएगा. Divided by what is the weight of solution? Weight of solution
Sir,
is
1 plus 2.5 into 50.
1 plus नहीं है. It is 1000 plus because this is in grams.
हाँ.
वो 1 kg है.
Yes, sir. 1000.
हाँ,
अगर
sorry,
आप गलती किया तो यहाँ पे ही करेंगे. 1 plus 1 कर लेंगे. Plus 1 नहीं है. Plus 1000 है. Okay. Into
Okay,
100. यही आंसर होगा.
yes sir.
बाद में कैलकुलेशन कर लेना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. जस्ट आपको समझा रहा हूँ. If you are given one concentration term, I can always convert that into another concentration term by using some other data. Is that clear? Can I calculate
Yes, sir.
this? Everyone, can I calculate? आप लोग सोचो इसके बारे में. Can I convert this into percentage weight by volume?
हाँ sir, density दिया होगा.
Everyone,
हाँ, sir.
now,
Because density we know.
I'm explaining this again. Everyone understand this. First of all, what is the definition of molality? Definition is moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. किसी का भी definition आपको लिखना है तो make this denominator as 1. If I'm making this as 1, the molality will become moles of solute. So molality is nothing but moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. So if I am giving 2.5 molar solution of NaCl in H2O, इसका मतलब क्या है? 2.5 moles of NaCl is present in 1 kg of water. So mass of water आपको पता चल गया. What is the mass of water you have? You have 1000 grams. Okay, this is the mass of water, or this is nothing but the solvent. What is the mass of solute? If you know the moles of solute, basic formula is moles is equals to weight upon molecular weight. So if I want to find weight, I need to multiply moles with molecular weight. Agreed? So if I want to find the weight of NaCl, I already know the moles of it, which is 2.5. The molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5 gram per mole. So you will get this as 2.5 into 58.5 grams. This is the weight of solute. Weight of solution will become, what is weight of solution? It is the weight of solute plus solvent, right?
Yes, sir.
Weight of solute plus weight of solvent. Weight of solute already हमने find किया, which is 2.5 into 58.5. The solvent is given in terms of kgs, but you need to substitute in terms of grams, क्योंकि numerator आपको grams में है. Okay, so this weight upon this weight into 100 is nothing but percentage weight by weight. I am asking you how to calculate percentage weight by volume. For that, what is the formula? It is the weight of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Right?
Yes, sir.
I already know the weight of solute, but I don't know the volume of solution. In order to convert percentage, in order to convert this molality into percentage weight by volume, I need to know the density of the solution. Once I know density, I already know mass of the solution. What is density is equals to?
Mass by volume.
Mass by volume.
Mass
So
by
from this I can calculate the volume as mass upon
mass
density.
upon density.
Mass upon density. Yes, sir.
आपको solution का volume चाहिए तो आपको solution का density चाहिए होगा. Okay? Agreed? And solution
sir.
का mass plus चाहिए होगा. Solution का mass आपको substitute करना है, not the solute's mass.
हाँ,
Okay,
sir.
everyone concentrate
Okay.
on this. So जो चाहिए आपको accordingly substitute करो information. We will be solving lot of questions in this. Don't worry. आपको ऐसा ही कुछ questions आने वाला है JEE mains में और NEET में. They will give you one concentration term. They will ask you to convert that into another concentration term. If you know the basic definitions, if you know how to convert density, volume, mass, आ जाएगा. Clear है? Okay. Next. Next
Yes.
definition. Molarity. Molarity. Molarity देखो, it is the moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. Okay, you should not substitute in ml, you need to substitute in liters. So based on this, tell me the definition.
Number of moles of
Moles of
solute in
solute
1
present
liter
in
of
solution.
solution.
In 1 liter of solution.
Bas. It is the moles of solute present in 1 liter of, again here it is solution but not solvent. Clear hai?
हाँ, sir.
So if I give
हाँ,
you
sir.
1.7, capital M indicates molar, small m indicates molal, capital M indicates molar. Okay, 1.7 molar NaCl aqueous solution. Unit से इसका capital M, molality के लिए unit से small m और representation है small m, इसके लिए capital M. 1.7 molar NaCl aqueous solution. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 1.7
Moles of
Moles of
NaCl
NaCl in 1 liter of
liter of total solution.
NaCl in 1 liter of solution. If you want to convert this into percentage weight by volume, वो आसान होगा. What will be percentage weight by volume? Equals to weight of solute upon volume of solution
Yes, sir.
into 100. Again, what will be weight of solute? Moles कितना है आपको? 1.7.
1.7 into 58.
Very good. 58.5. What is the volume of solution?
1000 milliliter.
1000 milliliter.
1000 ml put करना है. Percentage weight upon volume में it is weight upon volume of solution in ml or definition में. So I need to substitute divide by 1000 into 100. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you find percentage weight by weight?
Density.
If you know the density, you can find that because you already know the volume of the solution. If you know the density, you can find the mass of solution. Then you can find
Yes.
percentage weight by weight. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ आपके फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए percentage weight by weight can be calculated. इसके लिए क्या लगेगा? If
Density of this.
density of solution is given. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So what are the different concentration terms we have? We have mole fraction. How to define that? It is the moles of solute present in 1 mole of
Moles of-
solute. Okay. उसके बाद percentage weight by weight. It is the weight of the solute present in 100 grams of solution. उसके बाद percentage weight by volume. It is the weight of solute present in 100 ml of solution. उसके बाद percentage volume by volume. It is the volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution. उसके बाद gram per liter. It is the weight of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Okay. Then we have ppm or ppb. It is the parts of solute present in 10 power 6 parts of solution or 10 power 9 parts of solution. ppm के लिए 10 power 6, ppb के लिए 10 power 9. Those parts can be mass parts, volume parts, or mole parts. Agreed? Then we have molality. Molality is the moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg में कितना है? That is called as molality. अगर 2 kg दिया तो divide by 2. 1 kg में इतना है तो 2 kg में कितना रहेगा? Okay. Next, molarity. It is the moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Okay. Molarity के लिए unit क्या हो जाएगा? Molarity का, if I want to,
Molar.
it is mole per liter. Molar है, which is nothing but
Mole per liter.
mole per liter. Okay. Molality के लिए, this is nothing but mole per kg.
Mole per kg.
Clear है सबको? So just
Sir.
remember the formulas.
Yes.
You can write the definition and you can do the analysis too. Yes, Smith.
Sir, if only ppm of something is given, then how we will understand that? Is it in terms of moles or volume or mass?
They have to definitely give it. Definitely देते हैं, or else they will be giving you ppm देके. If they give you mass of the solution, then assume that is by mass. ppm करके देके, if they are giving you volume of the solution, we will assume that it is by volume, so on and so forth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Solve
sir.
this question. Exactly 117 grams of NaCl is dissolved in sufficient water to give 1500 centimeter cube of solution. What is the molar concentration? Molar concentration मतलब आपको पूछा क्या है?
Molarity.
नहीं, molarity. Molar. आपको molarity पूछा है. Molar है ये. Molal नहीं, molar. Okay. I think most of the students are facing problem with the electricity issues. इसलिए join नहीं किया होगा ना?
Sure,
हाँ
sir.
सर, बहुत
Yes, sir.
रेनफॉल है.
Yeah. उनका मैसेज भी आ रहा है. यू आर आस्क्ड मोलारिटी ना,
Yes,
जो भी पूछा
sir.
जाता है आपको
हाँ, sir.
इमीडिएटली उसका फॉर्मूला लिख लो, आपको हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? इट इज द मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट
Upon mass of,
वॉल्यूम.
oh sorry, volume, हाँ, molarity.
मोलारिटी है. It is the moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. What would be the moles?
2 moles.
It is given weight upon gram molecular weight,
Yes.
58.5 gram per mole divided by, आपको वॉल्यूम दिया है 1500 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, which is equal to 1500, 1 cc is equals to 1 ml, which is equal to 1.5 liters. Agreed? So here you need to substitute 1.5 liters is nothing but 3/2 liters. This is equal to 2 mole divided by 3/2 liters, which is equal to 4/3 mole per liter. 4/3 मतलब आपको 1.33 molar. 1 mole per liter is 1 molar. Clear है? आपको जो दिया जाता है इंफॉर्मेशन उसके अकॉर्डिंगली सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द फॉर्मूला. ऑलवेज आपको जो पूछ रहे हैं उसका फॉर्मूला लिख लो, तब आपको समझ में आएगा क्या क्या आपको लगेगा. विदाउट राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला यू मे नॉट प्रोसीड. मोलारिटी दिया है तो फॉर्मूला लिखो, मास परसेंटेज दिया है तो उसका फॉर्मूला लिखो, देन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू सब्स्टिट्यूट. ओके ओके. What volume of 1.7 molar NaCl solution contains 0.2 mole NaCl? मोलारिटी दिया है आपको, मोल्स दिया है, देयर आस्किंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. What is the moles of solute given? 0.2 upon volume of solution, वही फाइंड करना है. This
हाँ.
is given as 1.71.
1.71.
So volume कितना हो जाएगा? 0.2.
0.2 over 1.71.
आंसर हमको लीटर्स में आएगा because it is the volume in liters. Okay.
हाँ, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Sir, it is 0.11.
1169.
Okay, 0.1169.
Sir.
Okay, very good. 0.1169 liters. Everyone, is this clear? Direct formula application है और कुछ नहीं. I hope you are able to interpret this 1.7 molar NaCl का मतलब.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Whenever you are taking some water, amount of water, उसमें 1.71 moles dissolve करने के बाद the final volume of that particular solution is 1 liter. Agreed? By dissolution
Yes.
of NaCl, the volume of water won't be changing by that much amount. So आप लोग ऐसा भी कुछ assumption ले सकते हो, but you should not do this while calculating. Initial water का भी 1 liter ही हुआ होगा. उसमें 1.71 moles put करने के बाद the volume of the solution, I am assuming it is not changing by much. So the volume of solution before mixing NaCl and after mixing NaCl, it is 1 liter only. So how to produce 1.71 molar NaCl solution? By dissolving 1.71 moles of NaCl in 1 liter of water. Here I am assuming that दोनों को मिलाने के बाद वॉल्यूम उतना ज्यादा चेंज नहीं हुआ. मिलाने के बाद भी 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन ही है मेरे पास. क्लियर है? ओके, क्लियर है? I hope you are able to interpret this. If I want you to make 1.7 molar NaCl, आपको क्या करना क्या चाहिए? Suppose आपको उसमें 0.2 moles of NaCl को ही मिलाना है. मतलब you need to take 0.2 mole NaCl, you need to take 0.1169 liter of the solution. What my assumption is, water का volume, solution का volume it is not changing. In general ऐसा ही होता है ना. If you take glass of water, उसके अंदर NaCl dissolve किया तो volume of the water उतना change नहीं होगा. Okay, so you can interpret this as, if I dissolve 0.2 mole of NaCl in 0.1169 liter of H2O, I will be getting this 1.71 molar NaCl. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve this question. How many grams of 50% weight by weight NaCl solution are necessary to yield 3.2 gram NaCl? %50 weight by weight NaCl. So यहाँ पे आपको percentage weight by weight कुछ दिया है. Whenever you see that, immediately write the formula. What is percentage weight by weight? बताओ.
Mass of solvent
Solute upon weight of solution into 100.
upon weight of solute
Upon
into 100.
200.
Exactly. It is weight of solute upon weight of solution into 100.
100.
Weight of solute कितना दिया है आपको? You need to have 3.2 grams of NaCl.
Yes.
So 3.2 दिया है. They're asking how many grams of this solution. मतलब you don't know the weight of solution. Agreed?
Huh.
Into
100 is
100.
equal to 50.
This must be equal to 50.
Yes.
So what should be the weight of solution?
6.4.
6.4 grams. Easy?
हाँ
Okay.
सर.
थोड़ा toughness बढ़ाते हैं. A solution of urea is 3000 ppm by weight. दिया है already. It is 3000 ppm by weight. If the density of solution is 1.04 gram per ml, determine the molar strength of solution. So what are they exactly asking? What is meant by molar strength?
तो मतलब molarity.
Molarity.
Yeah, they're asking us to find molarity. दिया क्या है आपको? They have given the concentration term of ppm. What is formula of urea?
NH2.
NH3.
NH3 is ammonia. It is
NH2
NH2
CONH.
CO2. इसका concentration कितना दिया है?
3000
3000
3000 people.
ppm by mass. Okay. You need to convert this concentration term into molarity. करो. आप लोग पहले करो, मैं समझाता हूँ. Everyone, please put your video on. Those who are unable to understand any given question, you can put that message in the chat. You can ask me to explain again, okay? Everyone put your video on. Smith, Ayush, Vardhan, Arnav, now put your video on. Yogeshwar, Prithviraj, Amitraj. Okay, 0.052. किसी ने आंसर 0.052 कहा है? That may be the right answer. Archit, put your video on, Archit. ये जो questions है, these models, you also have them in your 12th. So you will also get these questions, similar type of questions in your boards, 12th boards. So it is very important to understand how to do these questions. आपको boards के लिए भी ये questions आते हैं, 12th boards में. देखो, those people who are confused, हमको क्या पता है? PPM पता है ना? Okay, write the definition of PPM. What is the definition of PPM? यहाँ पे PPM by weight करके दिया है. So I will write that as weight of solute upon weight of solution into 10 power 6.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Agreed.
सर.
And this is given as how much? 3000. क्वेश्चन में आपको weight of the solution के बारे में कुछ information दिया? कुछ नहीं दिया ना? If they are not giving any information about the weight of solution, always you can assume the weight of solution as 10 power 6. क्योंकि तब 10 power 6 cancel हो जाएगा. वो cancel हो गया तो I can say you have 3000 grams of solute in 10 power 6 grams of solution. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
That's how
Yes,
we
sir.
interpret PPM, na? Everyone. So what I will write is, I will write 3000 gram of urea in 10 power 6 gram of solution. Is that clear? What I'm taking is, I'm assuming the weight of solution to be 10 power 6 grams. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
हम definitions करते समय भी ऐसा ही कुछ किया. Agreed? So 3000 grams of urea in 10 power 6 grams of solution. If you know the weight of the solution, can you find the volume of solution?
Yes, we can.
Because you know the density. What is volume of solution? It is nothing but density is equals to mass upon
Mass and
volume.
flow.
Okay, so volume is equals to mass upon density.
Yes.
It is mass of solution upon density. Density of solution ही होगा. Okay,
हाँ,
density कितना दिया है? Solution का ही density हमें पता है 1.04 gram per ml.
1.04.
Okay, so volume will be equal to mass is 10 power 6 divided by 1.04 ये ग्राम है, एक ग्राम पर ml है, सो आपको वॉल्यूम कितना किस में आएगा 1/1.04 इंटू 10⁶ ml है ये. For molarity you need to find the molarity na. For
Yes,
molarity what is the formula? Molarity is equals to moles of solute
Mole solute per volume in 1
upon
liter.
volume of solution in liters.
Yes.
What is moles of solute? You know the mass of solute 3000 grams. Can't you find moles?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be moles?
60.
3000 gram divided by 60 gram per mole
हाँ, sir. 50.
divided by volume in liters कितना होगा? This is equal to
Into that
10⁻³ upon 1.04 liters. Any doubt? Okay, I will divide this by 10⁻³ upon 1.04 liters, which is equal to 50 ना ये सही है ना? 300 upon
हाँ सर
50 into 1.04 upon 10⁻³ liters. 50 into 1.04 upon 1000 is the answer. कितना आता है ये देखो. I hope आपको solution clear है. Whenever you are given ppm, you can assume 10⁻⁶ parts. Whenever you are given mass percentage, you can assume 100 parts, 100 grams. Whenever you are given volume percentage, you can assume 100 ml. Provided you are not separately given the volume of the solution या mass of the solution. If you are given, you need to substitute the same thing. अगर नहीं दिया तो हमको assumption लेना है. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer then? I think 0.052 is right answer.
yes sir
It is 0.052 molar. Everyone, if anyone has any doubt in this, please ask me now. These are the most standard questions you get in your NEET, JEE mains, even in your boards. Okay, मुझे यहाँ पे everyone in the molarity, I need to know the volume of solution. Hence, I am finding the volume of solution. I need to know the moles of solute. Hence, I am trying to find the moles of solute. Okay, this is ppm given in terms of mass. So you don't know the volume of the solution right at the start. You need to get the volume of solution from this density. Okay. You need to know how to manipulate all this information. Clear है सबको?
yes
Okay.
sir
I believe you can solve this question. Take your time, solve this question. Calculate the mass of anhydrous
Yes,
HCl in 5 ml concentrated hydrochloric acid. मतलब this is the volume of the solution. Anhydrous HCl मतलब they are talking about the solute. Okay. HCl को anhydrous HCl को पानी में डालने के बाद we will call that as hydrochloric acid. Okay, concentrated hydrochloric acid. They are asking कितना आपको मिलाना चाहिए, कितना anhydrous HCl को मिलाना चाहिए in order to get 5 ml HCl solution which is having 37.23 HCl by weight. You need to understand the question. If you understand the question, direct आपको formula application है. 37.23 परसेंटेज बाय वेट दिया है ना, सो राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर परसेंटेज वेट बाय वेट, आपको आ जाएगा. आयुष इतना जल्दी जल्दी कैलकुलेशन कर रहे तुम. 2.21 इज द ग्राम्स क्या आयुष?
हाँ सर, ग्राम्स में.
ओके. Others, please put your video on. What is the formula for percentage weight by weight? Everyone understand this? They have given you 37.23 HCl by weight. So immediately write the formula for percentage weight by weight, which is equal to weight of solute. What is the solute here? It is the HCl. Weight of solute upon weight of solution into 100. And ये आपको दिया है 37.23. Here आपको weight of solution नहीं दिया, but आपको volume दिया. What is the volume of solution? It is 5 ml. You also know the density. So indirectly they have given you the weight of solution. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. You need to assume weight of solution as 100. You should not do that because they have already given you some 5 ml HCl solution. उस 5 ml का कुछ तो specific mass रहेगा. I need to substitute that particular weight of solution. Agreed? Okay. So what is weight of solution equal to? It will be volume of solution into density. What is the volume of solution? 5 ml. Density is 1.19 gram per ml. So what is the weight of solution? 5 into 1.19 grams. Okay. So अभी substitute कर लेना यहाँ पे. Percentage weight by weight 37.23 must be equal to weight of solute. I need to find this. Upon weight of solution is 5 into 1.19 into 100. Calculate this. What is the answer you got? It is 37.23 into 5 into 1.19 divided by 100.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, 5 ml is the volume of hydrochloric acid, no? And hydrochloric acid is not solution.
It is concentrated hydrochloric acid. का मतलब क्या है? Why do we use the term concentrated? If it is pure, if it is only HCl, why to call it as concentrated? 5 ml concentrated hydrochloric acid matlab this is the volume of the solution. Okay. HCl as such, it is a solid. उसको पानी में मिलाने के बाद it becomes solution. समझा स्मिथ? देखो क्वेश्चन समझो. Calculate the mass of anhydrous HCl. मतलब it is not having any water in 5 ml concentrated hydrochloric acid. मतलब that is the solution. उस solution में HCl कितना है करके पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, in order to find that they have given the mass percentage. 5 ml concentrated hydrochloric acid. We will use concentrated if and only if it is not pure. अगर वो 100% pure मतलब only HCl है तो it is not necessary to use concentrated. दो parts मिला तो then only we will have the term concentration ना. अकेला वही रहा तो there is no purpose of using concentration. समझा?
Okay, sir.
Is this clear now? Okay, what's the answer then? What is the weight of solute?
2.215 grams.
2.215 grams. Others cross check. यही है?
Yes, sir. 2.215 grams.
Okay, good, very good. Next question. .215. Next question. A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, which is CHCl3. The formula of chloroform is CHCl3, and it is supposed to be carcinogenic. Matlab it is cancer causing. Okay, if you have chloroform in water, it is dangerous to health. It is carcinogenic. The level of contamination is given as 15 ppm by mass. They have given you the concentration in terms of ppm. They're asking us to convert it into percent by mass in A part. In B part, they're asking us to convert that into molality. आपको मोलालिटी में कन्वर्ट करना है और मास परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. Do you know the mass of the solution? दिया है क्या?
नहीं
नहीं.
Yes, sir.
ppm
But we can assume it as 10 to the power
10
6 grams.
वेरी गुड. अभी इसमें 10^6 एज्यूम करके आगे बढ़ना है. करो, सॉल्व कर लो. आपको परसेंट बाय मास तो आ गया होगा,
हाँ सर.
which is 15 into 10⁻⁴.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Write the definition for molality, then proceed. Molality is moles of solute upon mass of solvent. It is not the mass of solution. So you need to find the mass of solvent. And you need to substitute that in kgs. You can do some approximations. Because 15 grams in the presence of 10 power 6 grams is very less.
Sir.
You can tell me answer approximately. That's fine.
Okay, sir.
Shall we discuss?
Okay, sir.
Everyone, please put your video on. वर्धन बताओ, what is 1 by 15 ppm? क्या लिख सकते हैं 15 ppm को? वर्धन, yeah. Sorry? 15 ppm को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? 15 ppm by mass करके दिया है ना? वर्धन या शुभांकर? शुभांकर 15 ppm को क्या कैसे इंटरप्रेट कर सकता हूँ?
15 is equal to parts of solute upon parts of solution into 10 raised to 6.
Okay, very good. You can write that as 15 equal to, and यहाँ पे you are given by mass na, so the parts of solute is in terms of mass. So I can write this as 15 equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 power 6. आपको मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कुछ दिया है क्या? नहीं, तो तब क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे तब?
10 raised to 6
इसको 10 power 6 ले लेंगे, 10 power 6 ग्राम से. सो ये 10 power 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तब मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट क्या हो जाएगा? 15 ग्राम्स हो जाएगा. एग्रीड? सो हाउ टू राइट दिस? वी विल इंटरप्रेट दिस एज 15 grams of CHCl3. आप लोग को बाद में फॉर्मूला लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 15 ppm मतलब you can directly write 15 grams of CHCl3 in 10 power 6 grams of solution. Clear? If you know the mass of CHCl3, can you find the moles of CHCl3?
Yes.
क्या हो जाएगा? It is 15 gram divided by, I think it is 119.5.
Yes, sir.
इसको
Yes,
ऐसा ही
sir.
रखते हैं अभी के लिए. 15 upon, let us take that as 119.5. If you want to do some approximations, you can take 119.5 as 120. तब exact division भी हो जाएगा ना,
हाँ, sir.
which is approximately equal to 15 upon 120. 15 upon 120 कितना आता है? 234. 8 है क्या? 8 है ना? 1
Yes,
upon
sir.
8.
हाँ sir.
So you have 1/8 moles of CHCl3. इसको बाजू में रखते हैं. What are you asked in A? In A part you are asked percentage weight by weight. Mass percentage मतलब. So उसका formula लिखो. It is weight of CHCl3 upon weight of solution into 100. What is the weight of CHCl3? 15. What is the weight of solution? 10 power 6 into 100. क्या हो गया? 15 into 10 raised to minus 4. Any doubt? Okay. B part में क्या चाहिए हमें? Molality. What is molality? It is moles of solute CHCl3 upon mass of solvent in kg. Agreed? What is moles of solute? 1 upon 8. What is mass of solvent, everyone? What is the mass of solvent? Mass of water कितना रहेगा? This implies यहाँ पे मैं mass of H2O क्या होगा?
10 power
Equals to
6 minus 15.
10 power 6 minus 15. This is almost equal to 10 power 6 only. 10 power 6 मतलब 10 लाख है. 10 लाख से 15 रुपीस घटाया तो कुछ घटाया क्या? नहीं है ना. Almost 10 lakh के बराबर ही है. So I am taking this as 10 power 6 grams only. kgs में कितना होगा? 10 power 3
10
kg.
power 3.
Understood everyone? So यहाँ पे mass of solvent I am substituting that as 10 power 3, which is equal to कितना आ गया आएगा? 1/8 into 10 raised to minus 3 मोलल. 1/8 मतलब 0.125 है क्या? 1/8 is 1/8 0.125.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I can
sir.
write as 0.125 into 10 raised to minus 3 molal. Is that clear? Everyone देखो क्या किया मैंने. If you are given ppm, assume 10 power 6 parts है. स्टार्टिंग में ही आप लोग लिख सकते हो. अभी आप इनिशियली अभी पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया हमने, इसलिए ये फॉर्मूला लिखा. If you are not given the mass of solution, you can always assume 10 power 6 grams. 15 ppm मतलब 15 grams in 10 power 6 grams. Once you know that, you can calculate the other things. Formulas लिखो everyone. Formulas लिखो समझो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
हमेशा सोचते रहो. These are easy. The only trick is you need to be open to have some new ideas. Okay. सोचते रहो इसके ऊपर. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ कैलकुलेशंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need to tell me answers in terms of x, rho, m naught. You are given mass percentage as x, density of solution as rho, the molecular weight of solute as m naught. You need to determine molarity and molality. We will take this as the last question. Mass percentage आपको दिया है. So immediate क्या करेंगे? Starting में आप लोग उसका फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हो. Are you given the weight of solution?
No.
So what will we do? Weight of solution दिया है क्या आपको?
सर
No,
हम उसे
sir.
assume कर सकते हैं ना.
Assume
हाँ,
करेंगे,
sir.
क्या करेंगे? We will assume 100 grams of
100.
solution.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ.
Proceed. Assume 100 grams of solution and proceed. You need to find molarity and molality. So for that you need to know the formulas. जिनको formulas अभी भूल गए हो. Molarity is moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Molality is moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. इमीडिएट आपको मास परसेंटेज भी दिया है ना, उसका लिए भी फॉर्मूला लिख लेना. परसेंटेज वेट बाय वेट इज इक्वल्स टू मास ऑफ सोल्यूट या वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन mass of solution into 100. This is given as x. If nothing is mentioned about the mass of solution, we will take this as 100 grams. Okay, or we will assume assume 100 gram of solution. So how to interpret that percentage weight by weight? It is nothing but x grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. Easy. Once
Yes,
you
sir.
know the weight, can't you find the moles?
Yes.
What will be the moles of solute?
Mole of solute.
उसका weight
Wait.
divided by
M
molecular
naught
weight.
per
M
ml.
naught दिया है.
हाँ,
Okay.
sir. G per.
What is the volume of solution? Why am I finding volume of solution? क्योंकि molarity में आपको volume of solution put करना है. What is the volume of solution? It is weight upon density. Okay. It is mass of solution upon density of solution. मास कितना दिया है? मास हमने 100 लिया है ना. 100 upon rho.
Yes, sir.
Always substitute with units. 100 grams है ये रो ग्राम पर ml है. So आपको वॉल्यूम किस में आया? 100 upon rho ml है ये. This is not liters. Okay. मोलारिटी में आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट क्या करना है? Moles upon volume in liters, everyone, which is equal to, what are the moles? X upon m naught divided by 100 upon rho into 10 raised to minus 3 होगा liters में. Okay. Is that clear? Which is equal to how much? How much is this?
10x rho upon m naught.
10x rho upon good m naught.
Not. Wait.
It is 10x rho upon m naught. This is molarity. But you are also asked molality na. What is molality is equals to moles upon mass of solvent in kg. What is the mass of solvent?
Mass of solution minus mass of solid.
It is mass of solution minus mass of solute,
Mass of
Yes.
solution. Yes, sir.
which is 100 grams. Substitute along with units. 100 grams minus x grams, which is 100
100
minus
minus
x ग्राम्स है. केजीस में कितना होगा?
into 10 power minus
100 minus x into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Clear? So अभी
Yes,
सब
sir.
कर लेना. Molality is equals to what are the moles? Moles are x upon m naught. X upon m naught divided by 100 minus x into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to 1000x upon 100 minus x times
And
m
m naught. Agreed? Clear है सबको?
हाँ सर
आ गया? Just understand what are the things you need to assume. अगर आपको mass percentage दिया है तो mass percentage दिया तो आप 100 grams of solution को assume करो. Volume percentage दिया तो आप 100 ml of solution को assume करो. Suppose आपको molarity दिया है, then assume 1 liter of solution. Okay, you need to know what are the assumptions you need to take. If you are not given separately the mass of the solute, sorry, the mass of the solution या volume of the solution ये mention नहीं किया तो तब हमको लेना पड़ेगा assumption. अगर दिया है तो you should not assume anything because already provide किया है. You need to solve according to the given information. Clear? I
yes
hope
sir
this is clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone. I will upload few more questions. यहाँ पे मेरे पास और भी कुछ questions है. I will upload these questions. Attempt. We will be discussing them in next lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.